Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping some.
Saying yeah. Hey. Would you cry or would you try to catch me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Would you cry or would you try to catch me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I drop, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, drop, baby, make it rock. Baby, would you cry or would you try to catch me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Saying yeah. Hey.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this drunk. You know you're nasty. Move around in my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like a bit too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like a bit too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. But yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all y'all. Since you been gone, I've been just okay. I know you mad, you didn't see my way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of space. I let little shawty come and take your place. Thinking my love is exciting. Want a paper plane, I'm the one. Wonder why your girl always smiling.
Happy birthday. Yup. We're not alcoholics. I would just like to say that, sure.
too softly. Them boys got no police in their blood. If your own heart wasn't in it, I know a piece of it was. Most of that pic you sent me, it wasn't recent.